Do you find yourself always in a rush, never having time to prep or cook delicious meals? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you a full day of eating high protein delicious meals, all that take less than 10 minutes to make. Coming up first, the world's quickest breakfast, which ironically is Loretta's pet name for me. So here you have it, the world's quickest breakfast. Literally a bowl of Rice Krispies, some fruit, some soya milk and some protein powder. Comes in around 600 calories and 45 grams of protein. I know what you're thinking, Pete, that's a very simple meal. I'm watching this to learn some recipes, but breakfast is usually the one meal where you literally have zero time, so I thought it was beneficial to show you something that literally takes no time. It also doubles as your social media content today. I mean, you've got your picture for the Instagram there, and you can eat it on the go. You could put this in a Tupperware, take it to the office, or do what I do and stare out and look at the amazing British summer weather. Oh, I actually think that meal deserves some extra points, as you can eat it pretty much as quick as you can make it. Anyway, I'm gonna head off to the gym, so I'll see you guys later. Okay, so gym session done. It was okay, but we got it done, and you know you need to get that anabolic window after working out, so it's time for a snack, and I thought I'd give these a little bit of a review. That's right, Vegarami, which is a vegan pepperami. Now, I don't remember pepperami even being that popular, so I don't know why they'd make a vegan one of them, but I saw them and I thought, might as well give them a go. So only 134 calories and 8.4 grams of protein. Not a bad little snack. Smells interesting. Okay, let's give her a go. I really need to get better at reading packets. It's got egg white powder in it, and it tastes like feet, so yeah. I can't believe that just happened. I've been vegan for almost 6 years and I still can't read labels, but I was in the Cub Scouts, and as their saying always goes, I think it was always be prepared. So my gym actually happens to start selling these protein bars. So it's called Nutty Crisp by Oteen. So it's an oat bar with protein, Oteen. 216 calories and 15 grams of protein, which, believe it or not, is actually pretty good for a vegan protein bar. I've seen so many vegan protein bars, I'll put some on the screen now, that literally have like no protein in, like 3 grams of protein. Like, that's not a protein bar, that's a chocolate bar. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh. Ooh, smells very caramelly. Doesn't look like your regular protein bar. I guess that's why it's an Oteen bar. Yeah, let's give her a go. That is tasty. It tastes like a kind of caramelly, shortcakey, biscuity, oaty bar. And it actually feels quite decadent as well. Like, a thing I find with a lot of protein bars, you eat them and you literally don't feel satiated in the slightest, but even just off one bite, that feels pretty substantial. So I'm stoked with that. Right, I'm gonna finish this and it's time for some lunch. Okay, here we have it, the lunch of dreams. So it's jacket potato, I've got a mashed avocado, lentils, and a tofu salad. This literally took 7.5 minutes. So the jacket potato, this is something I discovered recently. You can get frozen jacket potatoes that take 5 minutes in the oven. That is mental. And then I discovered these the other day. Basically, Loretta usually does all the cooking. I carry stuff and do the dishes occasionally, but Loretta's really ill at the moment, unfortunately. So I've been cooking for myself, and I found these in Aldi the other day. It's a French-inspired lentil dish, and they're 300 calories and 20 grams of protein, and then a pound. 2.5 minutes in the microwave. Literally, what more could you want in life? So I've been having those with jacket potato, a tofu salad, which I made literally while the jacket potato and lentils were cooking. And yeah, this meal comes with about 800 calories and about 39 grams of protein. As always, that was incredible. I've pretty much had that ever since Loretta's been ill and does not get old. And anyway, the weather now, I don't know if I showed you earlier, it was torrential rain this morning, and now it's bloody glorious it is. So I'm gonna go for a walk and then I'll come back and show you my final meal. You lucky things. So I'm back in the kitchen about to make dinner, so I thought let's play a fun game. Guess what I'm about to make using these ingredients. So here we are, the final meal. Did you guess right? It's a vegan bolognese, kinda. So we have Linda McCartney mince, I got mushrooms, onions, and I substituted the kidney beans for peas, and we've got lentil pasta as well, so on a bit of a lentil kick. And yeah, once again, I think this took 10 minutes total to make again. Once again, the pasta took like 8 minutes. While the pasta was on, I heated up the pan, cooked some onions, then cooked the mince for about 3 to 4 minutes, added the mushrooms, added the spinach, and then added the sauce. I did make one mistake. I normally do use chopped tomatoes, but Loretta said that adding like a proper bolognese sauce would be better, and I've just realised two things. This isn't a bolognese sauce really, the one I used, and I used a whole jar, and it's really meant for 4 people, and it definitely looks too saucy for me. I think we've learned one thing today, it's I definitely can't read labels, but yeah, let's give her a taste, shall we? Very good if I do say so myself, and I must confess it is a bit of a rouge, a bit of a lie what we do on these full days of eating. Like I'm sat here like a distinguished gentleman eating my dinner, just staring into the blissful Welsh scenery, but in reality I watch Netflix usually when I'm eating, and I'm nearly finished the Jeff Dunham style. Jeff Dunham? Jeff Dunham. I've nearly finished the Jeffrey Denham case, so I'm gonna go and eat this and watch that. Also, macros, for those of you who are interested. But another hearty meal, this one is 800 calories. Bloody hell. 62 grams of protein, and that's going to bring my total for the day to 2,416 calories, 160 grams of protein, which I actually think is a bit too high. Yeah, I'm going to go and eat this, and then I guess we always, of course, have to finish the day with a dessert. So yeah, I'll see you then.
Well, you're about to feel every second of this.
In hindsight, watching a serial killer drill holes into people's skulls and cut up body parts while you're trying to eat dinner probably wasn't a good idea, but we survived, we did it, and now it's time for dessert, but I don't even know if I can eat it. I'm actually really full. But I picked up some dark chocolate. Don't normally have this, but it's quick and easy pudding. I really like dark chocolate as it kind of satisfies you, whereas some puddings make you hungry because they got so much sugar, but I find like the bitterness of dark chocolate kind of just satisfies you and gives you that sweet treat at the end of the meal you need. So yeah, this is subtle caramel dark chocolate. I'm gonna actually check if this is vegan because I've not been very good at checking labels the whole of today. Look, as I say, Loretta normally does the shopping. What the I'm never doing the shopping again. So I thought because it was dark chocolate, it was vegan, but literally, I don't know what I've been doing today. It's got milk in it, so I give up. That's what you get for leaning over and talking to a camera when you're trying to eat your dinner.